Bahagi ng mandato ng PAW ang pangalagaan ang ating mga kabataan, kabilang narito ang Children in Conflict with the Law at Child Victims.
Kaugnay nito ay naging delegado ang ating Hepe PAW Chief Persida-Acosta at ilan sa ating key officials sa 2025 Asean Convention on Legal Aid for Children na ginanap sa Malaysia. Let us all watch this.
Kung hindi tayo, sino pa nga ba? Bayang Pilipinas, pagkaganda, magmamahal at kakalinga.
Philippines continues to strengthen its commitment to child protection and legal aid. The Public Attorney's Office proudly represented the country at the 2025 ASEAN Convention on Legal Aid for Children held in Malaysia from September 7 to 9. On the opening day of the convention, delegates from ASEAN member states were warmly welcomed, with each receiving tokens of appreciation in recognition of their shared efforts in advancing children's rights and access to justice. Chief Public Attorney Dr. Persida V.Rueda-Acosta, DSDJD, and PAW key officials led the Philippines delegation. On the second day, PAW Chief Persida-Acosta and the Director of PAW Forensic Laboratory Division, also the newly appointed Deputy Chief Public Attorney Dr. ERFE, took center stage as keynote speakers.
As far as the children conflict with the law, our beneficiaries in 2024 last year totaled 18,925 children in conflict with the law as well as child victims. We have young minor clients, of course, they are the victims of crimes, children in conflict with the law, and we have a law, Republic Act number 9344, entitled as Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. You know, the UNICEF has funded our training seminar for about 12 years, and then our lawyers has been trained to handle this delicate job to defend and to assist children in conflict with the law.
Dr. Acosta and Dr. F. highlighted the Philippines' initiatives on civil and criminal child legal aid, sharing PAW's programs, success stories, and ongoing challenges in ensuring that every child, especially those in marginalized communities, receives full legal protection.
We have the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council, and our office is the prime stakeholder, duty bearer, to assist our children. And then there is a procedure for taking the child into custody, and there's a procedure in our law. We have duties during initial investigation, the taking of statement, and of course our lawyers and social workers are trained psychologically, mentally, physically, so that we can give justice to our children.
The Forensic Laboratory Division was established in 2010 as a support service to our public attorneys. We harness the knowledge in forensic science as well as in forensic medicine to help our lawyers assess their cases and present their evidence in courts. The laboratory was actually in response to several laws that were enacted the previous years. Like, for example, the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, and then the Anti-Rape Law, as well as the Anti-Torture Act of 2009.
Delegates from across the ASEAN countries engage in discussions on strengthening cooperation, harmonizing child-focused legal services, and developing best practices that can be adopted throughout the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. As for PAW, they have established legal initiatives for child protection.
Now we have many illegal initiatives so that we can protect and defend the rights of children who are victims of crimes and those who are children in conflict with the law in relation to the civil, criminal cases. We have the PAW Forensic Laboratory Division, second, memorandum with our Social Welfare Department. We have rehabilitation, diversion, and youth facility and visitations. We have our assistants during inquest, 24/7. We always there to assist our children.
Public attorneys conduct regular visits to their clients, their children clients, in rehabilitation centers as well as in youth facilities. The public attorney's office have hotlines where public attorneys provide legal counseling as well as assistance during office hours, after office hours, weekends, and holidays. So it's a 24/7 support service.
With the power to forefront, the Philippines reaffirmed its dedication to protecting children's rights, ensuring that justice is accessible to the youngest and most vulnerable members of society.
Of course, our children are our future. We should treat them well and let them lead the way.
The three-day convention is expected to pave the way for stronger regional cooperation in legal aid, ensuring no child is left without representation across ASEAN.
Pilipinas, isulong ang magandang bukas. Magandang bukas. Magandang bukas.
This is Geraldine Wanyas reporting for #Power News. Persida Acosta, Justice for the Masses, Justice Against Poverty.